Hello friends, welcome back to this free Figma course for complete beginners. My name is Ines, I'm a principal product designer and a hiring manager with 16 years of experience. If you've missed the previous lessons of this course, you can go to my YouTube channel and watch them all. Today we're going to discuss how to design for the light mode and for the dark mode right in Figma. Because Figma has a particular feature that allows us to create these modes really fast. This feature is based on the variables. And if you've missed the lesson on the basics of variables, I highly recommend you to watch it because this is necessary for you to understand what are we going to do in this one. And a disclaimer, we are not going to discuss how to switch the Figma interface from the light mode to the dark mode. We have covered that in the first lesson of this course where we did an overview of the new Figma interface. I recommend you to go there and watch it. I have my Figma open already. Let's see how we can design for the light and dark mode. Now we have a simple design created in the light mode. Now we need to convert it to the dark mode. And I have already created some variables that define my background. And those variables, they are following the methodology of tokens. And we had a lesson already discussing this methodology. I recommend you to watch it as well before you start on this one. Before the introduction of variables and modes in Figma, in order for us to design for the dark mode, we would have to either create a new file and duplicate our designs there, or have other pages created in this exact file with other styles that will be manually remapped with our designs, and it was very time consuming and nobody liked create different modes for their designs. Also because you would have to obviously create changes and add new features in both designs. Right now Figma saves us loads of time with this function I'm going to show you. Now, in order for me to create a dark mode, I would need to click here and create the mode number 2. Let's call it the dark one. And the first will be obviously the light one. Then the only thing that I would need to do is that I would need to define the colors for the dark mode, and that's it. Let's see how it's gonna work and how can we switch the modes in our designs. Now, in the appearance section in the panel, we have this icon, apply variable modes. And this is exactly what you would need to do. Now I switched my designs to the dark mode and everything switched as well. And with this function, you can define different modes only with a handful of variables. This is very, very cool, and I recommend you to explore it. It's also very fun and feels like magic, really. And that was it. I hope you liked this lesson, and now you know how to design for the light and for the dark mode. And if you plan to continue learning Figma, hit the subscribe button down below and click the bell. This way you will get a notification when a new lesson comes out. And I see you next time.